Hanwell, West Ealing.
Time to say goodbye to
Acton Main Line.
Southall now. Good to see Pudchar Station.
Liverpool Street, Whitechapel, Canary Wharf, Clun
This one I wanted.
Southall. This is an Elizabeth line service to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf. The next station is
Hanwell. Goodbye to Southall. Blimey. What a load of trains from Southall are done there. You ain't? You ain't?
Yeah. This is an Elizabeth line service to Abbey Wood via Canary Wharf.
Boy, good exercising, isn't it?
The next station is Hanwell.
Oh, there it is. There you go. Marvellous job. And there's a 37. There's a steam train. Yeah, I think yes, I will follow you clocks now. Watch when you're here. I mean, it's your choice in case you want to follow that stupid bloody clock.
We are now arriving at Hanwell.
I'm going to choose retail. I'm going to teach each other.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
And I've got also the one trim by mistake. Well done, Pudchar. Now we're now in non-Pudchar. Hey, hi Joseph, it's me, Wobby Evans. Do you remember me, don't you? Oh yeah, hello Wobby. Hi Joseph. How are you? I'm fine, nice to see you. Oh yeah, Mum, this is Wobby Evans, my mate from college. Oh, hey Wobby. Hello, nice to see you. There goes the Abbey Wood service. Yeah. And now we've got to wait for the 30 minutes past. Yeah, there you go, the distance, train into the distance. Now I'm at Hanwell to see the engine passing by at speed.